Shaun's back, just for the day. Well, Shaun has just about finished off this field, this 140 acre field. Oh, it's going over that gas line. There's a gas line that goes across the property, and when they dug it, man, I'm so at a loss for words. It sunk in, that's what I can say, over the years, so it's a little bit rough. But anyway, the other baler, our 535, is broke down right now. I was baling with it, and I was going to get Shaun to bale with it so I could go to the excavator and finish brushing. But I broke the little pin that holds the lift cylinder in, broke off and fell out. And the gate wouldn't shut properly. I couldn't figure out why the gate wouldn't shut. So I went outside, because it'll still lift with one cylinder. It's hard on it, but it still will. But I ran to the, as you saw, I ran to the mechanics and I got my monitor for that baler. So we put it in the Magnum and Shaun's baling away. He's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 swaths to go. And like I said, this is a pretty good day. No rain. Mixture of alfalfa grass, Timothy brome. You got dandelion. You got some alfalfa here. And grasses. Like I said, this is a pretty old field, so one of these, either the next year or for sure it has to be plowed down. That's we haven't used the plow in a long time, so we used to get over 350 rolls off this field, 400 sometimes. But we're gonna get to something. I think Shaun told me he had 76 and I had 140 on that other baler. So yeah, I should get the other baler fixed for tomorrow. The weather is crap for the next week. Total crap. It was good this weekend. A couple days before that too. So we've got another 140 acres knocked down. Hopefully we can get that. The front wheels need to be spaced out a little bit more on that tractor for baling. Hi Shaun, everybody misses you. Hey, don't forget to bale that little one that you raked by there, then by the grain bin, and then in the church. Alright, bye. Well, Magnum needs a paint job. It's past, it's 9:30 here right now. Still got another hour of sun yet. About 40 minutes of sun. Anyway, that'll be all for today. I'm videoed out. I think I made like 3 videos today. Got lots of editing to do. Alright, I think I said this about 5 times today. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you all later.